Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I am finally bringing you my March favorites. Now I know I missed February, but February was a trial run month. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna call it. It was a trial month. It was just the month after January, which is like a Tuesday. Nobody really likes a Tuesday, so that's what I'm calling February. So today I'm gonna be combining my February and March favorites for you guys. So if you would like to hear what I have been loving this month and all the things that I have picked up, then just keep watching. So before I start talking about my favorite items, I'm just going to give you guys a bit of a bump update. So today I am 22 weeks by the time you guys are seeing this video. My bump has gotten a little bit bigger. I've gained probably about 12 to 13 pounds since the beginning of this pregnancy. Baby is doing absolutely amazing. It has been extremely active the last 2 months, like February and March. This baby has been moving and grooving non-stop, which makes me so happy. Not only can I feel it on the inside, but you can also now see or feel it move on the outside, which is pretty cool. I know I loved being able to share that moment with my baby, but being able to see my fiance's reaction when he felt our baby kick for the first time was like priceless. Just priceless. And so that has been kind of like the highlight of the last 2 months. We also found out the gender of our baby, and I kind of swindled the nurse or the ultrasound tech to tell me the sex of the baby, or tell us the sex of the baby, even though my fiance wanted it to be a surprise for a little while longer. Yeah, no, not me. Had to know. I needed to know right then and there. And I have been doing a ton of shopping since finding out the gender. I have been spending a lot of money on baby clothes lately. My fiance wants to kill me, but I can't help it. Everything is just so darn cute and I need to have it, like need to. So let me know if you guys would like to see a baby haul down below in the comment section. I probably won't upload that baby haul or said baby haul until after we reveal the gender to you guys, which is only a couple more weeks to go. Don't worry, like 3 more weeks to go and you guys will know the gender. So after we reveal the gender, I would then upload that video, but let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in at all. So here is my baby bump. I'm actually wearing like maternity track pants, so don't judge me. But here is my little baby bump, as you can see. So here is my 22-week bump that I have going on. That is it for my baby update. Let's jump into my favorite items. Not straying too far from the topic of babies, but my first favorite of the month is a book that I am actually listening to on Audible. The more my pregnancy progresses, the more I have become intrigued with the idea of having a natural labor and mentally and physically preparing myself for that. I have been doing a ton of research online to figure out what would be the best methods to cope with the pain, to cope with what I'm feeling and everything that's going on with my body, and how I can help my body progress through labor with very little damage to my internal organs, my external organs. I don't know why I'm doing this, but my external organs as well. And just kind of like mentally prepare myself for it. And amongst all of the YouTube videos that I've watched, which are a lot, all of them had one thing in common, and they all talked about hypnobirthing. So hypnobirthing is kind of the idea of separating your mind from your body and really focuses on the saying mind over matter. So your mind controls how your body reacts to certain pain and the things that goes on around it, and it kind of coaches you through calming your mind so that your mind can calm your body and allow it to do what it is naturally born to do. Now this book does come in a physical copy, but I have heard a lot that it's better to listen to the book, and it also helps to listen to the book while you're in labor. So I downloaded the Audible app on my iPhone and I have been listening to the book recently and really practicing the things that it teaches throughout the days, especially at night before I go to bed, to help calm and relax my body so that I can have a more restful sleep, which is very beneficial for the baby. If you are a mom-to-be and you are planning a natural labor, or even if you are planning a more medicated labor or are having a C-section labor, this book does work for you. Birth altogether can be a very high and stressful situation as it is. So it's just a great way to help you mentally prepare. If you are interested in listening to the book, I will have a link down below in the description box. You can also check it out on the Audible app. Audible is something that I have been using for years now actually, and I find that it's a great way to listen to self-help books and motivational books while I'm running errands or while I'm cleaning or doing things like that, and it's a great way to just get in my daily reads. Audible has a huge selection of amazing books that you can choose from, and it is also offering my subscribers a 30-day free trial along with a free book. So if you are interested in checking out any of their books, go to audible.com/AshleyBloom to start your subscription. Or if you live in the US, you can text Ashley Bloom, one word, to 500-500, and that will help get you set up right away from your phone. So again, if you're interested, it is audible.com/AshleyBloom or text Ashley Bloom to 500-500. Though I've been doing a ton of maternity shopping that I'm going to save for another video because honestly, I have so much maternity clothes that I wasn't planning on getting that I did end up getting. So I'll show that to you guys in another video, but one of the items that I picked up that I really wanted to show you is from spring. It is a pair of slides. Now I haven't worn a pair of slides since I was like in elementary school, like no joke, elementary school, and I didn't really think I would catch myself wearing this trend, but I saw these and I thought they were so cute, and I think they would be perfect for the hospital when I go, just to make myself a little bit more comfortable. So they are these blush purple, would you call this a blush purple? A lilac purple slides with a little bow on the top, and I just think they would be super cute in the hospital, just to kind of keep me comfortable and, you know, allow me to move around and not feel dirty with my bare feet on the ground. And I also picked up this super cute little backpack purse. So it does come with a strap on the top so it can be a purse, but it also has the straps on the back so that it is a backpack as well. And I guess if you don't want to wear it as a backpack, you could always tuck the straps in somewhere else, but I absolutely love this. I thought this was so cute and perfect for the spring season. I find that backpacks are so much more versatile and so much easier to use. I'm probably gonna go more towards a backpack style diaper bag when the baby comes. I think that just would be more realistic for my lifestyle and for my fiance's lifestyle as well. Moving past clothing and onto hair, I don't really know what's going on with my hair. Maybe it's pregnancy is just doing the opposite. Everybody talks about how great your hair is going to be in pregnancy, but mine is doing like the complete opposite. My hair is so dry and has been so brittle lately. I don't know what is going on, but I have been doing a ton of research into products that I can use to help moisturize my hair and that are a little less harsh on my skin, because you guys know I do suffer from eczema on my hands. I'll get an allergy test after the baby comes and probably after I'm done breastfeeding. But one things that I have been loving lately is the Garnier Whole Blends Haute Delicacy shampoo and conditioner. I think I only have the shampoo here because the conditioner is obviously done. But I absolutely love this. It helps moisturize and soften your hair, and it is gentle for sensitive scalp and skin, which is absolutely perfect for me. When I first got pregnant, my eczema skyrocketed. Like the hormone imbalance and me trying to keep up with my hair care routine was just not working for my eczema at all, and my hands were so inflamed. Right now I'm kind of in like a remission phase, so it's starting to heal up pretty nicely, and that's because I literally have cut back on all of the products that I have been using in the past and tried to simplify my hair care routine and my skincare routine down to just a few products so that is not too much for my skin, and this has been one of them. So I've been using the shampoo and the conditioner to wash my hair, and then as you guys know, I absolutely love the Shea Moisture collection. So when I am doing my deep conditioning treatments, I use the Shea Moisture 10-in-1 Renewal treatment on my hair, and if I'm styling my hair curly, then I will use their curl enhancing smoothie to kind of smooth through my curls and style them, and that's pretty much it. Trying to keep my products down to as little as possible so that my skin doesn't suffer too much. My last favorite item of the last 2 months would have to be my Apple Watch right here. So for Valentine's Day, my fiance picked me up the Apple Watch Series 3, and I literally wear this thing every single day. Every single day. It's not the cellular version, I believe it's just the GPS version, which is totally fine with me because it still connects to my cell phone. I just really loved it because of the fact that it keeps me in check. Pretty much, I guess you could say. So the Apple Watch has a feature called the Activity Center or Activity Ring. I don't really know what it's called, but it's just an activity thing. And it has 3 different features. So it has a move feature where it counts how many calories you burn. It has a workout feature, so you know, kind of motivates you to do at least 30 minutes of activity every single day. And then it has a stand feature to show you how long you are actually standing versus sitting down. And this is crucial for me. As a blogger, as an influencer, I'm constantly at home. I'm constantly sitting down in front of my laptop or on the couch in front of my laptop. I'm always on my laptop trying to do some sort of work or respond to emails. And I tend to lose track of time, and that was fine before because my body kind of adjusted to that. But now being pregnant, I have to put myself on a little bit more of a schedule, especially when it comes to eating and drinking water and staying hydrated. So I have an app on my Apple Watch that actually reminds me every 2 hours to have a glass of water, which I need to do right now actually. And then it also has this weird thing. I don't know how it's able to tell this. Maybe it's because of the heart rate monitor, but it can tell when I'm kind of like stressed out or frustrated, and it'll like pop up with a little notification like saying, hey, you should take a minute to breathe. And it has an app on there that's kind of like a meditation breathing app, and it kind of just teaches you to slow down and take deep breaths and kind of relax and calm down. And it seems to pop up every single time I'm like arguing with my fiance. It's like it knows he's raising my blood pressure and that I need to calm down. So it like pops up and it's like, hey, you should just calm down just a little bit. And I'm like, oh, okay. So other than that, guys, that is it. Remember, if you're interested in any of the things that I have mentioned, they will all be linked down below in the description box, so you can check that out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.